Programming for Engineer, PEB 25103. Mini project task to design a computer system. Title, Water Billing System for Syarikat Air Selangor Syabas using Python. Prepared by Muhammad Afiq bin Ismail and Shahir Aiman bin Syari.
Okay. Introduction. Technology used in this assignment is the Python. Python is popular among programmers because of the enhanced productivity it offers. The edit, test, debug cycle is extraordinarily rapid because there is no compilation step. Python scripts are simple to troubleshooting a bug or improper input will never result in a segmentation fault. Instead, when the interpreter finds a mistake, it throws an exception. The interpreter prints a stat trace if the application fails to catch the exception. Inspection of local and global variables, execution of arbitrary expression, setting breakpoint, stepping through the code one line at a time, and so on are all possible with a source level debugger.
Advantages of this system. Our company Syarikat Air Selangor Syabas has provided a system to generate water bill more easily and quickly. Through this system, we can speed up payment and make it easier for customers to check their water bills. We will also update the latest news about water in Selangor. In the system, we provide the background of our company, customer information, customer water bill information, automatic water bill generation system so that customer can easily check the balance and price of water bills.
We are being hired as a programmer with a finance department, and our first task is to design a computer system titled billing system for Syarikat Bekalan Air Selangor. Mini project group 5 prepared by Muhammad Afiq bin Ismail and Shahir Aiman bin Syari. First is display the company Shah and Afiq Water Sdn Bhd. Grade equal /t/t/t welcome to Syarikat Bekalan Air Selangor Sdn Bhd, and background equal to /t/t/t Shah and Afiq Water Sdn Bhd, and intro equal /t/t/t join in every drop. And then for the account holder and password, username equal Lil Shah, Afiq Afshah Bakery Factory. Password equal Aiman Afiq 9090 and 80000. Okay. And then for the main menu equal A, about us, B, account information, C, bill information, D, exit. And then
Okay, for the option A, okay, if you choose option A, we will define for our background company. Okay, for the first, we'll define our background company, Syarikat Bekalan Air Selangor Sdn Bhd. For the second print, we will show Air Selangor is the largest water operator in Malaysia, distributing clean and safe treated water to consumer in Selangor, Kuala Lumpur, and Putrajaya. Those our mission and vision is for deliver the best experience to our customer, as we will be to leading water service provider in Asia 2030. We operate 34 water treatment plants located in 11 regions, namely Petaling Jaya, Kelang, Shah Alam, Kuala Langat, Sepang, Gombak, Hulu Langat, Hulu Selangor, Sabak Bernam, Kuala Lumpur, Federal Territory of Kuala Lumpur, and Federal Territory of Putrajaya. Okay, we now have over 5,000 employees with a breadth of experience in various fields in the water industry. We are proud and honored of the numerous recognition and accolades that we have received. For all our accomplishment over the years, this award and accolades are a strong testament to our excellent and continuous effort in pursuit of the mission to deliver only the best to our consumer. Okay. And then we will just print Syarikat Bekalan Air Selangor Sdn Bhd, email shahafiqwaterselangor@gmail.com, and then we just put contact, and then just put the location of the syarikat. Okay, for the option B, we will define for our customer info. We will define for our display customer information data, which is account number, number billing, number meter, number invoice, name, address, tariff code, reading type, valid period, confirmation of the last payment status. Okay, for the second user, same as Nilshah account holder. But okay, they just same. Okay, for the third user, for our industrial billing system. The username is AF Shah Bakery Factory and the password is 80,000. We will show the account number, number billing, number meter, no invoice, name, address, tariff code, reading type, valid period, confirmation of last payment, status. Okay, for the option C, we'll pass to Afiq.
Okay, for the menu option C, for the first user, we define bill info. Bill info is to define our customer bill info and automatic generate water bill. If we put if username equal Ilishah and password equal Aiman, and then the display, and we print a system provided by the government of 5 meter per cube. This is government help to Selangor community. And then we put the domestic payment for payment method. And then customer bill info, number meter, and date and reading for 1 month reading. And then description of the charge for the domestic payment, 20 meter per cube times 0.57 equal to 11 ringgit 40 cent. And second charge 50 meter cube times 1 ringgit 3 cent equal to 8 ringgit 24 cent. And then 0.10 meter cube times 2 ringgit equal to 20 cent. And then we print the fixed charge 6 ringgit. And then for the current bill, the equal to 25 ringgit 64. Okay, and then print, please pay the current bill before 4 August, which mean this for April, which mean 4 months before after the 4 April. And then bill address equal to 0, last month's bill balance equal to 2 cent, and total equal to 25 ringgit 64 cent. Rounding adjustment 1 cent, 0.01 cent, and additional collateral is 0. So the total amount to be paid is 25 ringgit 64 cent. Okay, this is for the automatic generate water bill. For the declaration, meter underscore number equal to integer input, open bracket, please enter meter number, close bracket. If meter number less than 20 meter cube, pay amount equal to meter underscore number times 0.57, and fixed charge is 6 ringgit. If meter underscore number less than 35 meter cube, pay amount equal meter underscore number minus 20, close bracket, open bracket, times 1 ringgit 3 cent, close bracket, plus 11 ringgit 40 sen, and the fixed charge is 6 ringgit. And then if meter underscore number more than 35 meter cube, pay amount equal meter number minus 35 times 2 ringgit plus 11 ringgit 40 sen plus 50 ringgit 45 sen, and the fixed charge is 6 ringgit. And the total equal to pay amount plus fixed charge, and then after we total, and then the output display we print our water bill, and then print water billing generation, automatic water bill generation, and then it also print pay the water bill immediately and avoid cuts. Input /n, press enter to return to menu, and then return to menu. Okay, for the AFI second user is same as the first user by our payment method, domestic payment. So we go to the second user is Afsha Bakery Factory. Okay, if username equal Afsha Bakery Factory and password 80000, and then we print the assistance provided by the government of 5 meter cube. 5 meter cube is a government help by Selangor to Selangor community. And then for the bakery, Afsha Bakery Factory is the industrial payment, so that the billing are different with different than domestic. For the customer bill information, number meter, date, reading. For the date and reading, it count for 1 month. And then for the customer usage, 88 meter cube. And then for the charge, 35 meter cube times 2 ringgit 7 sen equal to 72 ringgit 45. And then for the second charge is 48 meter cube times 2 ringgit 28 sen equal 109 ringgit 44 sen. And then for the 0.50 meter cube times 2 ringgit equal 1 ringgit. And then print current bill equal to 181 ringgit 89 sen. And then please pay the current bill before 4 December, which means that 4 months after the 4 April. And bill errors equal to 0. Last month bill balance equal to 0.02, and total 181 ringgit 89 sen. Rounding adjustment negative 0.01 additional collateral 0, and the total amount to be paid is 181 ringgit and 89 sen. And then for the automatic generate water bill. Okay. For the automatic generate water bill, first we declare the meter underscore number equal to integer input, open bracket, please enter meter number and close bracket. If meter underscore number less than 35 meter cube, pay amount equal meter underscore number times 2 ringgit 7 sen. If meter number more than 35 meter cube, pay amount equal meter underscore number minus 35 times 2 ringgit 28 sen plus 72 ringgit 45 sen. So the total sum equal to pay amount. And then the print for the output display is print water bill percent total. And then for the automatic water billing generation, and then we put the print pay the water bill immediately, avoid cuts. And then we put the input, press enter to return menu, and then return to main, open bracket, close bracket. Then
Okay.
we pass Shah.
Okay, for the def exit, we just put print. Thank you for using our service and see you again. Exit, open bracket, close bracket. Okay, for the def login, we just to define login for user and account holder. For the first, we just put enter correct username and password to continue. Count equal to 0, while count username equals to input and enter username. Password equal to input, enter password. If username equal same as Lil Shah and password equal Aiman, we will show print successfully login. Main open bracket, close bracket, and break. For the second username, we just put equal Afiq and password Afiq 9090. We will show successfully login. Main open bracket, close bracket, and then break. For the third user, equal AF Shah Bakery Factory and password equal 80,000. We will show print successfully login. Main open bracket, close bracket, break. For the last one, else print login failed and try again later if you put a wrong username and wrong password. Okay, for the dev main, we choose input. Welcome to main menu. For the first option is about us. Second option is account information. Third option is billing information, and option 4 is exit. Okay, for the first, if choose one, we will define our background. If choose 2, we will define our account info. And then if choose 3, we will define our customer bill and generate billing system. And then if we choose 4, we will go exit. Okay, else print, you must choose 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Print, please choose again. And then main open bracket, close bracket. For the, okay, I will pass to Afiq.
Okay,
Sorry.
for the input for display coding, first we must put input, press enter to menu to continue, and then we print welcome. Okay, and then we print our declare grid, print declare of intro, and print declare of background, and then count equal to 0. While count less than 1, username equal input, open bracket, enter username, close bracket. Password equal input, open bracket, enter password, and close bracket. If username equal Lil Shah and password equal Aiman, print successfully login and main and go to main, open bracket to bracket, and break. If username equal Afiq and password equal Afiq 9090, print successfully login and go to main, open bracket, close bracket, and break. If username equal AF Shah Bakery Factory and password 80,000, it will print successfully login and go to main, open bracket, close bracket. Then break. Else print login failed and try again later. Count plus equal 1. Array system exit and input, press enter to continue.
Okay, that's all for me for our group. Okay, after we run the source code, it will show the display script. This is the starting for our output display script. Firstly, we must enter our username and password. If we choose for the first option, the display will show about the background company. Here, we can see our vision and mission and the location and other else. Okay, for the second option, if we enter number 2, it will reveal Shahir Aiman customer information data will appear. The customer information data includes account number, billing number, meter number, invoice number, name, address, tariff code, reading type, valid period, and confirmation of the last payment status. And the third option, the display will show the bill information, and the display will show the usage in a month. This is for the domestic payment. The charge for the 20 meter cube first, it will charge 0.57 cent. For the next 15 meter cube, it will charge for 1 ringgit and 3 cents. And the next 0.10 meter cube, it will charge for 2 ringgit. The fixed charge is at 6 ringgit. And then we must put meter number, and the system will calculate and generate billing automatically. Lastly, if we enter option 4, it will exit the display.
Okay. For the account holder, Muhammad Afif Ismail. Okay. After the run the source code, the output display in screen. This is the starting for our output screen. Okay. First, we must enter our username and password. Okay, and then this display of our account holder. Okay, first if we choose menu one, number one, it will display our background company. Our background company is a syarikat berkelas air Selangor Sdn Bhd, and it display our mission, vision, and our email and other else. Okay, and we press enter to go to menu, and then after we back to menu, we choose for the menu to account information. Okay, for the account information, it appear the customer information data. Okay, for the data is the account number, number bill, number meter, number invoice, name, address, tarif code, reading type, and valid period, and confirmation of last payment status. Okay, and then press enter to return to menu. Okay, and it will appear the main menu again. And then we choose the menu number 3. Okay, menu number 3, it appear the display about assistance provided by the government of 5 millicube for the domestic payment. Okay, it appear the customer bill information. The display will show the bill information, and the display will show the usage in the month. Okay, for 20 meter cube times 0.57 equal to 10 ringgit 72 cent, and for 50 cube times 1 ringgit 33 cent equal to 14 ringgit 52 cent, and last charge is the 0.1 cube times 2 ringgit equal to 20 cent. Okay, and this charge is 6 ringgit. Okay, and then for the automatic water billing generation, we must put the meter number, and the system will calculate our bill automatically, and the bill will appear and shows to the customer. And then we press enter to return to menu, and then if we choose number 4, it will go to exit, and display will show that thank you for using our service and see you again. Okay.
Okay, for the AF Shah Bakery Factory, same as a domestic display, but the calculation charge have a bit different. Okay, here the charge is for the 35 meter cube, the charge is 2 ringgit and 7 cent, and for the next 48 meter cube is 2 ringgit and 28 cent, and for the next 50 cent, the charge is 2 ringgit. Okay, and then we must put meter number, and the system will generate automatically. And then the source code will automatically calculate a water billing generation. Okay, lastly, if we enter option 4, it will exit the display.